Welcome to Gundam Pro's 59th Shipment Tower. Let's see how the tower was built with a quick time-lapse short, followed by us checking out these incredible kits. In this tower we have 13 model kits consisting of 5 high grades, 5 SD kits, 2 one-piece ships, and 1 Eureka master grade. Let's start with high grades. From Eureka 7, Nerve Ash Type 0. From Universal Century, RX-79BD-1, Blue Destiny Unit 1, Exam. And RX-79BD-2, Blue Destiny Unit 2, Exam. From Gundam 00, GN-011, Gundam Harut, and CB-002, Raphael Gundam. For SD model kits, MSD-006, Zeta Gundam, GAT X103AP Verde Buster Gundam, NZ666 Kshatriya, RX-0 Unicorn Gundam 03 Phoenix, and Versal Knight Gundam. For one-piece ships we have Dragon Ship and 9 Snake Pirate Ship. And for Eureka Master Grade we have LM314V21 Victory 2 Gundam. Thank you for watching today's Shipment Tower video. See you in the next tower.